we'll be doing a quick review of Samsung's Galaxy devices, namely the ecosystem right here. I call them the guardians of my Galaxy.
Dishonorable.
So anyway, we have here the Samsung Tab S7, we have here the Note 20 Ultra 5G, we have here the Galaxy Buds Live, and last but not least, the Galaxy Watch 3. So I really love the uniformity here. It's the same series, it's all Galaxy, so I can't wait to show you guys. So let's begin with our Note 20 Ultra 5G. So as we open up the box, we see a couple of accessories right here. I love the whole look and the whole color of it, how light it feels. It has a matte finishing. It kind of gives you the premium feels, you know? So the charger is fast charging. The earphones right here. One thing that really stood out to me, right, is the wireless power share that this phone has. So I remember 2 weeks ago when I was out with my friend and her phone ran out of battery. So she was quite panicky because she need to meet her friends. And I remember that the Note 20 has the ability to wirelessly share battery life for devices that support wireless charging. So I put a phone on top of mine and ta-da! I saw it happen right in front of my eyes and it was so magical. I instantly felt like a saint, you know, like I'm so selfless. I'm sharing my battery life with you. So this is some advanced technology right here, okay? Let's talk more about the S Pen. The S Pen has a lot of functions. You see, once I take out the S Pen, it prompts me all these functions that I can do with it. So I can create a note, live messages, AR Doodle, translate, and a ton of other shortcuts. But what I really love about this is definitely because it helps me take photos. So all I gotta do is click on the button and it snaps the photo for me. So I did an IGTV talking about 10 features of the phone that really stood out to me. So if you would like to watch that, do head down to my Instagram @chiohui to check out the IGTV, okay? I explored a lot more about the S Pen as well as the camera quality and lots of other stuff that is really cool. Which one should we do next? This is my Tab S7. So they very kindly gave me this keyboard. It's magnetic closure, so if you want it, just clip it on. If you don't want it, you can just take it out. I love that the pen is actually magnetic also, so it sticks to the back of the tablet. And then it's quite light, it's relatively light. So in the drop-down menu right here, we see DeX. So what is DeX? DeX is a system where it makes you feel like you're using a comm.
Good evening, computer. Put me online to this evening's agenda.
I love that it can really function like a computer where you can have multiple tabs and not have it lag at all. It also has the freedom of adjusting. So you can actually be working on your email and also checking out your schedule right next to it. And also maybe you can be watching Netflix here. So if you like this combo, for example, you like the mail and calendar combo, just click on the middle and there's this save button and you can save this combination. And this is the very recent one that we just saved. So the battery life for the S7 is about 13 hours. I think it's good to go for either a full day's work or like two half days work. It's very light and handy. I love it, seriously. Our next one, which is the very fashionable and very stylish Galaxy Buds Live. It's our Buds Live. And we have our buds. Will you marry me? Yeah, it really looks like that kind of casing. Woo! Right? Not only is it stylish and fashionable, right? It fits very ergonomically into your ears, so I'm gonna link it quickly to my phone using the Samsung Wearables app that you can download on your phone. When you go to the apps, right, you can push to activate the noise cancelling. Ooh. So there is an equalizer function here as well. So normal is how it sounds like normally.
Well, obviously.
And then we go to bass boost and you hear a lot more bass. And then when you go to soft, there really is a difference. Like it becomes more mellow. And then you go to dynamic. I guess that dynamic function is more like everything is very balanced. The trebles, the bass, the vocals. I think clear is where you can hear the singers' voices more clearly. And lastly, we have treble boost. Oh, when you double tap it, it skips to the next song.
Tap, tap, tap in.
It skips to the next song. Oh my god, it's so incredible! The buds alone has 6 hours worth of playback time, and the case alone has 15 hours of battery life. So combined, it is a total of 21 hours worth of battery life. So this is very incredible. So mine is the Mystic Bronze. There are 4 colorways available. So there's the Mystic Blue, Mystic Black, and Mystic White. So watch out for all these options if you're keen to purchase one. Next one, we're gonna do the Galaxy Watch 3. Mine is the 41mm one. It's Mystic Bronze. It comes in Mystic Silver as well. I really love it because I love leather straps, right?
Can you show the audience?
The watch can last you 2 days, which is quite good for a smart watch nowadays. It's either touchscreen to select your apps, or you can use the rotating bezel. This watch can also track 40 different activities with 7 tracked automatically. It has a built-in heart rate monitor as well as the blood oxygen sensor. So these are functions that are good if you are looking for them. There are 80,000 watch faces for you to choose from. So I can choose a different watch face for every day, 365 days, alright? And it can last me for 219 years. Is really a smart watch. So there is also the quick release strap, which is really convenient, and it's out. I was so amazed, you know, when I knew that the watch, there is a speaker inside, so I can actually talk to my watch and I can actually hear sound from my watch.
Nani?
That's so cool, right? Of course it's cool, Chu! It's been around for years! Okay, sorry. It's also water resistant of up to 50 meters. 50 meters? I did not get it wrong! It's really water resistant to 50 meters! I not only can swim with my watch, I can go diving with my watch.
Oh my god!
In this casing, it comes a wireless charging port. It's magnetic too, so you just put your watch on it and you will start charging. Of course, you must plug it into a power source lah. So I hope this is a good, short summarized version of all these 4 devices here. And if you have any questions, do drop me a comment in my comment section and I will try my best to reply you. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you do enjoy it, do like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let me know what else you think I should shoot, okay? So these are the Guardians of the Galaxy signing off. That's not a cat. Those are aliens, right, Sho?